Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, June 3rd, and I'm going to be analyzing the Aussie US dollar starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full down analysis. So, on the Aussie dollar, I still personally think this is a big wave W. I think this is three waves down for the X. I think this is going to end up going up for three waves up for a wave Y, which I still think is likely to go up to at least a 78, possibly even the 100% Fibonacci extension. Especially looking at how this monthly candle closed on Friday, I think that this is very, very likely to go up. Maybe we'll just make it a little pullback before we actually do continue the uptrend. So taking it down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, I personally think this is the end of a correction. I think this five waves up right here is a wave one. I think this is a big ABC correction, wave two. And I still think on this weekly time frame, it is going to continue to make higher highs, higher lows, and this is actually all part of a big wave three. So taking it down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, it kind of looks like a lot of the dollar pairs have already ended in ABC correction. I definitely see three waves down. I definitely see a higher low, higher low. The trend is up on the weekly, monthly. I still think it's more likely that this will continue to make those higher highs, higher lows, and it probably is a wave three. If it is a wave three, then it will very, very likely continue the series of higher highs and higher lows. So taking it down to the 4 hour time frame is where I got my Fibonacci retracement on the last push up. Now a lot of the dollar pairs did make one, two, three waves up on Friday. So I mean there's always a chance that this turns down and actually ends up being a much bigger, more complex correction. Maybe even this is actually an A and this is like three waves for a B and now we're going down for a C. Definitely, definitely possible. Maybe even likely. But if we do get a Fibonacci bounce, and we do have some pretty good dollar news coming out today, so if we do see this go down, and then we see a nice Fibonacci bounce at the dollar news today, then I would definitely still take it as a long opportunity for the continuation of this bigger wave 3 uptrend. So taking it down to the 1 hour time frame, like I said, we do have some big dollar news today, and if this really is an A, a B, and a C, then we should get a nice Fibonacci bounce and probably a nice break of structure. So if it looks like this at the news today, then I definitely would take it as a long opportunity for the continuation of the uptrend. I would have to see a picture like this because I mean there's always a chance that this is actually going to turn into a bigger, more complex correction on the higher time frames, and if that's the case, then it might just keep on going down, which is why I would want to see like that double bottom at a Fibonacci level with a break of structure at the news in order to get long for the continuation of this bigger trend, which I still think is likely to be a wave 3 on the much, much higher time frames. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here to the left. And don't forget to check out my website that will give you access to all my swing trade setups and my daily live trading sessions. As always, thank you and happy trading.